Look, this is some new sort of weed that I've never seen before. I don't know what it is. It looks very nice, as if it might be an escapee from a garden or something, but it's so dry around here that it's probably not an escapee from a garden. It's probably some new sort of weed. This is what the flowers look like. There, on the flower head. I don't know what it is. It's got a bit of a succulent-y sort of look about it, this plant. I tried to look it up in Google Images. You can get apps, can't you? You can get apps for portable phones that will tell you with 90% accuracy or something what an actual plant is. I don't know what this one is. I do have a portable phone actually, except I let it all lapse because I didn't use it. It had all the internet and everything, but I never used it. I didn't use it, so I couldn't see any point in paying $40 a month just not to use it. I wonder what it is. It's very juicy looking. I thought it might be one of the poke salad species that phytolacca or something, but I don't think it is. I have to wait for those flowers to open properly. I've got no idea what it is. I'd love to know. If you know, let me know. Very fleshy looking. I suppose I could try and grow a piece from a cutting or something. Yes, there are apps that tell you what a plant is, what a weed is, what an insect is, just by using its artificial intelligence. I can't imagine what this is. I'm not the world's best botanist or gardener, but it's completely different to anything I've ever seen. I suppose it could have escaped from somebody's garden. And it wasn't a very hot, dry summer, so there was some rainfall that might have helped keep it alive. If it had been a scorch of a summer, it might not have lived. Look down there. It's a bit like a succulent. It's got well, the leaves aren't fleshy enough to be really a succulent. That's what it looks like down at the bottom. Looks a bit calenchoish almost, in a way. And the leaves do have a slightly rubberish feel. But it's not a calenture, it's not a cactus like that. It's not that sort of succulent. I'll just have to wait for it to bloom. I'll keep looking in Google Images and see if I can figure out what it might be. Go away, fly, you're bothering me. Go away.